Hey guys, welcome to Sharp Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix the problem of Surrogate has been stopped working. How to fix the error. Watch this video until the end and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll tell you how to fix that problem easily and quickly. So first of all, you need to go search bar and here you're gonna type advanced view advanced system settings. So open this control panel. After that, here you can go to the settings option, performance. Here you're gonna click the first option. Here you're gonna click on data execution prevention. So click on the third option, and here you're gonna choose the first option. Turn on DEP for Ascension, Windows program and service only. Click on first option. Select the first option and click on apply button and click on OK. And here also you can click on OK button and click on OK and restart your computer. After restart, your problem will be solved. If your problem are not solved, so follow this step and go to the search bar and click and type here the command prompt and run as a administrator. Here type this command. This command I will give in description. So just copy this command and paste here. After pasted this command, you get a message like this: succeed. Click on OK and at that time you paste and click on OK. Two times you gonna paste. This command also I will give in description. Just copy that command and paste here. So two commands are given in description. Just copy that and paste here. After pasted these two commands, after pasted that commands and another one command was there. So type like this: sfc space scan sorry so slash scan now and type this command. This process will take some time, so 20 minutes or 30 minutes it will take some time. Be patient. After this process completed, your problem will be solved. And after this process will completed, just close this window and restart your computer. After the restart, your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share and like.